This lecture teaches you how to factorize by the method of middle term breaking. The question we take is x squared plus x minus 6. The first thing that we note here is that the coefficient written here, the coefficient of x is 1, and the coefficient here, this is the product, which is equal to -6, and this is the sum here, which equals to 1. And I now need to find two numbers which when multiplied give me -6, and when added they give me 1. For example, 6 times 1, -6 and a positive 1 gives me a -6 but not a 1, so this is not going to work. Let me try 3 and 2. I'm close enough because 3 and 2 will give me a -6 like this, and but they don't add up to a 1, so this is not going to work either. But what if I do this? I guess this is going to solve my problem. Now 3 times -2 will give me a -6, and when added they give me a positive 1, so this is going to work clearly. The next step is that you take these two numbers and write this equation again. The same question given to you can now be written like this: x squared. I'm going to split up this x into two parts, one being positive 3x and the other being -2x, and this 6 here remains as it was. So I've just rewritten the question here, but I've broken the middle part, the middle term. That is why we call it the middle term breaking method. Now if we take these two terms, I take x common from them, what is left inside is x plus 3, and from these two terms, if I take a -2 common, I am left with an x plus 3 again. Now if this is confusing you, you're seeing a negative here and you're wondering why this is plus. Well, it does work out, because if you multiply this with this, you get a -2, and when you multiply this with this, you get a -6. So I'm going all right. Now if you can notice, this term is common here, so I can again take this term common. Sorry, messed it up a bit. One second. That's how it goes. Go back. Now I can take x plus 3 common from the whole of this, and what am I left with? I am left with an x here, and I am left with a -2 here. So I write here x minus 2. Check it out. If you multiply this with this, you get x times x plus 3, and when you multiply this with this, you get -2 times x plus 3. So the final answer is here. It is x plus 3 times x minus 2, and that's the answer. For a more difficult question, go to the next lecture. Thank you. That's all for now.